have just received a delivery that is going to change my boyfriend's life.
Manscaped have the best intimate hygiene products for men.
The waterproof cordless lawnmower 4.0 from Manscaped.
It's got skin-safe technology so that you can cut and trim as close as possible while reducing the chance of nicks, cuts and nasties like that.
Everyone needs a little trim from time to time.
Unlike me, the Lawnmower 4.0 is waterproof.
So you can use it in the shower, it's really good for that.
Got the wireless charging system, up to 90 minutes when fully charged.
That's a lot of time to shave your balls.
You have a light right there. So when you're using it in those vulnerable areas, you hit the right spots.
And not only that, you've got the Manscaped Weed Whacker.
Yes, the ear and nose trimmer.
Inside the Performance Package 4.0, we have
their Crop Reviver.
And then we got the Crop Preserver. This is for like when you want to quickly freshen up and get a nice like scent down there.
And the smell is how I would want my balls to smell.
Definitely ticks all the boxes for the ladies.
If you order the Performance Package Kit, you will receive 2 free gifts.
The Shed travel bag.
And then you've got Manscaped boxes.
Wow, these feel so soft.
Manscaped, there's intimate hygiene done best.
I mean, I'd go for it.
Your balls will thank you.
Go to manscaped.com and order yours today.